Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take night mode photos on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin! First, you need to go to the camera. Inside the camera, scroll down to the More options, and here you have to click Night. And now we can take out our phone and do a photo using night mode. Obviously it won't work as good because I'm currently in well-lit environment. However, that is all you need to do in order to take a night mode photo. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.